Welcome to the channel. I'm Dave and this is Rogue Garage. I've got a quick car video for you today. I've got another 720 here. This is a beautiful Spider. It's this cool orange, this pearl orange of theirs. But got it in here. We're doing some work to it. It is actually a Sissio 1000 build. It's got our 888s on it, makes big power, it's running on ethanol, but they are having a problem with the door. So mirrors aren't working, door switch isn't working, all of that is not working. Did some diagnosing on it, and we believe that it is the door module. So gave my buddy out in Atlanta, Kevin, a call with the McMedics, and we got a new module overnighted. So we're gonna see if getting that put in, I'll reprogram it, see if that gets all of that door working again. And then this one will get out of here. Look at this, an update coming soon on the Lambo. The engine is in, and we're just finishing up the video on that to get this guy running. All right, so door button, everything isn't working. I've actually got door panel already off, so the only way manually to get the door undone is there's either a key that's up underneath, so that you've got a key on the fob, or there's these straps that's a manual release. So this being the Spider, that doesn't have the roof that goes with it, but here we've got the whole door panel, everything already off. I was doing some diagnosing with it, but here's where our module is. So we're gonna get that all off, and I'll get that new one plugged in and program it, and then we'll go from there. I got the new module in, and I did get it programmed, but it was still having problems, like where it would work and then it wouldn't. And I noticed if the door was up, things would work, and if it was down, it would all of a sudden start barking at me like it is right now. Well, I got the wiring undone here, and look at this, a broken wire. So we're going to connect that wire and see if that takes care of it. I'm hoping that is it. All right, so here is our repair. So I soldered it all. You can see I got my solder kit. We soldered in a new section of wire, did the heat shrink tubing, and then I'm going to rewrap all this, and then this all gets relaced into this fender here. I put it out here so that I could test it, and should be able to get it back together, and the owner is gonna pick it up tomorrow morning. All right, so I got through the other calibration, so now we're gonna do the final window calibration to make sure that works, and if everything's going, it should work. It says the window will be operated manually. Look at that, heck yeah, it works now, woohoo! Look at that, it's all doing that on its own. Operation successful, we got it working, yes! All right, now does the mirror work? Yep. So all of that is going. And lastly, does the latch work? Yep. Freaking amazing. Look at that, I got it. All right, just like that, it is out of here. Another one done. We'll see you on the next one. Looks sick.